Hello everyone. I'm back again with few introductory notes about proctoring the exam. So generally, when we do talk about proctoring, it is assumed that huge amount of ML should be running, ML routine should be running in background. Right now, I'm working with a feature, or we have added with the help of SPPU LMS team a feature for recording the photos when the student is attempting the exam. So I'm thankful to four of my students who helped me a lot in respect of the creation of this. So let me start with the session first. So I'm thankful to Payal, then I'm thankful to Vicky Pardeshi, Rakesh Singh, Shubham Natik. So let me go to the course, like how it looks like. So in the morning up, I conducted one trial examination for them. So let us see first how exactly it will look like. Okay, so when you add proctoring input, so it definitely starts capturing your video. So to continue with the quiz attempt, the student would be given this info. You must open your webcam and it will take some of your picture randomly during the quiz. Right. So let me show you how the report looks like because we had four attempts earlier, like as I earlier told you. So with respect to those four attempts, let us see how it looked like. So for example, Vicky Pardeshi attempted this exam using a mobile. So when he attempted that, this was an output shown as per his attempt. Correct. Similarly, like there was another student called Shubham Natekar who attempted this same exam on using mobile device. So this was his stuff. So you would be able to see different captured images during the examination. Now the duration of the exam that I had was 15 minutes, and like depending upon the time taken by the student, the number of pictures may vary from student to student. Correct. So both of these were from mobile, and let me show you from laptop. So this was one file, like who I asked them to make movements so that those can be captured. Now it may be the case like while it is capturing, my image might not be taken at all. Correct. So that image might not be taken because the duration will be fixed. So after that particular duration, next click would be done. So she tried attempting the exam in whole her attempt. This was the scenario. So like I asked her to put a hand rather in front of camera so that image would not be visible. Here she moved from from the camera side. Okay, so this was one demo, and we had Rakesh again. So these are the kind of images captured for Rakesh. So he was trying to kind of like create multiple actions through which I could recognize probably and I can take the decision. Please note that there is no machine learning running behind. So this is only one attempt added with respect to at least capturing the images of the students. Okay, while the quiz attempt is going on. And so let me show you now how exactly we are going to add these things. Okay, so let us first turn editing on. So go to your course, simply add the quiz. So this was I am adding as a trial one. So let us take this time duration right now. So let us enable this both the options. So we will have it as say 45 and we will give time duration say for example 5 minutes. Fine. Now these are the common settings that you must have done earlier as well, correct? So this one also you are going to make as whatever the options that you really want. Now one small modification we are going to make. Even review options can be decided by you with respect to what options you really want for them. Right now I'm not introducing you this SAFE browser, so SAFE exam browser. So this also can be combined with this proctored exam, but Now there is one drawback of this. Drawback in the sense like SAP exam browser is not available on mobile. So we cannot make use of that SAP exam browser aspect because majority of students might be using mobile. So we will not talk about SAP exam browser right now, but we will go with this extra restrictions. So you may see like there is a webcam identity validation. So you switch on it and you say must be acknowledged. Correct. Now what happens is like when you say save and display, so you will definitely see this. Now ultimately when you start your exam, so you will see that automatically your camera would be on. So from the student side even, okay, or even while you are previewing the quiz, this also can happen that way. So let me add questions. I will add from my bank which were added by me. So I will add these all 4 questions. And marks are given. So let us save this. Let us go back. Now let me show you my screen first. So view proctoring. So it might not be starting that. So let me go back again. So it is verifying. First it switched on my camera. Okay. And then it is recording my photos. Then I will start with preview quiz now. Now you may see like it will ask you this thing, allow your webcam to continue. Then I will say I agree with this. So I will say start attempt. Okay. Now towards this side you will see there is a camera operated. Correct. My image is shown. Now while I am attempting this. So I am making movement over here. Okay. Different movements. So even I am switching off my camera for a while. Correct. By putting hand in front of it. Even I might be referring to say this particular book rather, which is sealed rather. I am wasting your time to so as to show you that the images would be captured with respect to this usage or mischief that I am doing. Right. So let me answer these questions. So I will try to answer questions one by one. So I will try to see that I will utilize all those minutes so that the number of images would be much more. Now you may see like amount of time given for my exam was 5 minutes. Correct. So I am working with this 4-minute, 5-minute thing. So next question I will try to even go outside. Okay. I came back. Again I am doing some activity which I am not supposed to do. Correct. Now I want that to be recorded in the session. Correct. I am back again. Now let me go with my second question. I found answer of it through my notes and so on. So I am doing next page. Now I am making all kinds of movements. Okay. Then I am answering my third question. Also I am showing that I am speaking with somebody else, like through the recording it is recorded because I might be talking with some other person in this case. So that also will be captured through these images. So maybe like you will wonder like will the audio would be saved? No, it would be only capturing the images. Correct. So let me answer my fourth question. Okay. And then I will finish the attempt. Correct. And then I will submit my options. Correct. So this would be shown to me. So let me go back. Correct. Now let me see this attempt. Correct. So if I see the attempt, if I go, Vikas Mate sir is now really working on it. So if I wish to review it, it would be showing this thing. Correct. He has answered the question for a while. Okay. He is attempting this exam from his side. So hopefully he will finish. So side by side you can proctor it. So let me show you how Mate sir's images are captured. So his camera seems to be not up yet. Probably. सर तुमचा कॅमेरा ऑन करून जॉईन करा.
मी कॅमेरा एकदा हो म्हटलं होतं एकदा नाही म्हटलं होतं.
नाही हो म्हणा त्याला हो म्हणा हो म्हणा हो म्हणा आणि सुरू करा.
हो म्हणा.
So like what he communicated is he tried first initially said yes and then he said no. So you have to give permission of using the camera for your. So he will restart that exam. Okay, so hopefully let us see. Like for my attempt, at least one can see my proctoring report. So you may see like some of the images are captured. So you some image like I am speaking with somebody else, correct? So if I click on this, I might it captured that image. This also is captured, correct? Now depending upon the time duration taken and for the exam, okay, number of images may vary from here to there. Okay, so till the time he works with it, so let us see if we can get it. So his images are not captured yet. Okay, let me start one more time. So I will go with this and I submitted it. So I will not be permitted again because exam is started. So hopefully he will start his camera and let us see. Like only thing, like we have to train the students to say that like whenever they start, whether they are using mobile or whether they are using the laptop or desktop, they have to first give permission of accessing the browser, because application will not support this. Your Moodle application will not support it. You have to always log in with browser if you are at all you are trying to make use of this capturing mechanism. So it is named as proctoring, but really, like if you carefully see, there is no machine learning running in background, so it would not be verified. So message would not be given to the student directly. Correct. So let us see if we can get Mates's pictures. Since there were problems, so I will delete his attempt and I will ask him to restart. So I will let him know like to restart again the quiz. Now you will wonder like what is happening to this side, correct? What are the options are chosen by the student? Okay, now Vikas Mate sir will again rephrase the thing and will start the exam again. So reattempt is to be done by him. So let us see what he does. Mate sir, you can start please. Again, refresh the screen and start. Go to the home page, dashboard, and restart the quiz. So let us hope he will rejoin it. Considering the time duration, we have given as 4:15, 4:45. So let us go back and see. Now we start. He hasn't started yet. Okay, so hopefully he will again start the quiz, because I wanted you to show the scenario, live scenario, what exactly is to be done, because he gave permission earlier and then he simply removed it. So he is supposed to restart that exam and then we will be able to see his access. Correct. So I am instructing him again to start this so that like we can work with it one more time. Vikas sir, please restart your quiz. So hopefully he will restart the quiz, reattempt, because we gave permission to him. Correct. So now this would be really helping you out in one case. Like for example, if I go here, these were the 5 attempts by the students. Correct. 4 attempts by the students, and this was Matesar's. So if I go here to the proctoring report, and if I try to see his like as seems like he hasn't started that time, that's why he later gave permission back. Okay, so that would not be stored. So if I go to this, depending upon when he joins, you will be able to see the things. Correct. So it is necessary every time whenever the student is opting the exam, he is supposed to switch on his camera and record the session. He should switch on the camera so that the test can be recorded. Correct. So this is how you can basically proctor the thing. Right. So thank you very much. So if in case of any queries, we can discuss further.